Now open Android Studio, create a new project or remove all the classes and files of the previous sections. Create a new Kotlin file, and this file, I'll name it as Hello Collections. And I'll start with the function main in order to allow Android Studio to run this file. A list in general is an ordered collection in which we can access elements by using indices that define a position for each element. We have two types of lists, immutable and mutable. I'll start with the immutable. An immutable list in Kotlin is a read-only collection of elements that cannot be modified once it's created. You can use it when you want to ensure that the list's contents remain unchanged after initialization. Immutable lists are created using the list of or list of not null functions in Kotlin's standard library. I'll start by creating a val fruits equals to list of, and this is the function that it is used to create an immutable list in Kotlin. This function takes a var arg, variable length argument parameter, allowing you to specify the elements you want to include in the list. Here you can specify the generic type of this list, or whenever you create elements, it will detect the type of this list, so you can get rid of this generic type. I'll start with the first element, which is the apple, banana, cherry, and so on. These are three elements of my immutable fruits list. The fruits list is immutable. You can't add or remove or modify elements in it after creation. If I try to access the fruits dot and add function, there are no add, remove, or modify functions in the fruits immutable list. This immutable list contains a specified fruits in the order they are provided. You can access elements of an immutable list by their index, iterate over the list, or perform various read-only operations on it. For example, if I need to print all the list, I can use the for loop and I create an item in fruits. So every item in the list called fruits, go and print this item. Run the program. And here we go. We printed all the elements of this immutable list. This immutability ensures that the list's content remain constant through the list's lifetime. Keep in mind that if you need to modify a list, you should use mutable list created with mutable list of function, which allows you to add, remove, and modify elements.